Hi guys, Celai here and back with another video. So I finally took out my protective hairstyle and as you can see my hair has its cap on and I did not cover up my edges. It just happens to be like that whenever I wake up, but do not worry because I sleep with the satin pillowcase. So my ends are perfectly fine. And today I'll be showing you guys my go-to hairstyle. All right, let's get started. So my go-to hairstyle is, well, a puff. So I'm gonna be using the puff cuff. So as you guys know, I love the puff cuff. And this is basically like my go-to hairstyle because I use this every single day. So that's why I'm really excited that they came out with their own hair products. So it's called Laid. Here, I'll just show it to you guys. And this is actually a leave-in conditioner, and it's also a concentrate. So you would put half of this whole thing, and then you get half water, and then you put it in your Puff Cuff spray bottle. And if you guys want to go get one, and you guys can go to thepuffcuff.com and use code Celai for a discount. So why I really love this concentrate is because, well, I'm an environmentalist and I really just want to reduce waste and, you know, save the world, I guess. So let's get into this. All right, guys, so I'm gonna be mixing these now, and if you guys know me, I really do love to mix things, so I'm gonna enjoy this to the fullest extent. So I am going to pour half of this into this and hopefully do it right, because I clearly don't know how to do it, but okay. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, so it looks like I dropped some. Oh, okay. So, okay, so now we're gonna get some water and some for me too. Okay. All right, so that should be good. So now, this is what it looks like. Hold on, let me just mix it up. So this is what it looks like. So next, okay. So I'm going to take off my cap. I know my hair looks really weird because it's flat. So I have a regular band on. I do not like sleeping with the puff cuff on because I do not want to break it, and it's kind of super uncomfortable, especially with me sleeping crazy every day. So I'm going to ditch the band and I'm going to spray this on. All right, if I can do this correctly. All right, so now that my hair is all moisturized, now we're going to use the next product from Laid. It is a nourishing and soothing serum. So it is really good for your scalp and your hair and also for beards. So I'm gonna have to, you know, hide it from my dad because he's gonna probably use it. So yeah, let's start using it. Let's see how this smells. It doesn't specifically have a scent, but I do smell some tea tree oil in it, and my hair really likes tea tree oil. So let's start. I'm gonna pour a little bit or enough onto my fingertips. Okay, this is a lot, but okay. I'm gonna put this on my scalp first. All right, so now I'm gonna do another. Okay. This reminds me of the Puff Cups vibrating massager, and it feels really good. If you guys want to go and get that, you guys can also go to thepuffcuff.com and use code Celai for a discount. All right, so now I'm gonna do more so I can put it on my actual hair, not my scalp. So I'm gonna put that on the palm. Oh, okay. You know, my hair grew a lot from the protective style, and you know, that was definitely one of the things we were aiming for. I'm going to use this to, you know, gather up my hair a little bit. Wait, I can't do it right. All right, so now that my hair is all gathered, we're gonna use the puff cuff. All right, that took a lot longer than I expected. All right, so now I'm going to fluff it out and make sure that it looks symmetrical. All right, so now I'm going to use this brush. It's a double-sided brush because why not? I'm gonna use this brush to, you know, smooth out my edges just a little bit. So I do not actually use any edge controls or anything because, you know, we just want to keep it natural. So yeah, we just usually just use a brush. All right. Well, this is what it looks like. Alright guys, so this is my go-to hairstyle. All the products that I use today are on thepuffcuff.com, and make sure you guys use code Celai so you guys can save some money. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment down below what your favorite hairstyle is. Alright, bye!